I've opened up the student table in datasheet mode, and once we're in the sheet, you see two tabs appear within your home ribbon, and these are only available when you're in a table, so they're the table tools. I want to go into the fields and show you that you can change these columns. Now, if you remember, in design mode, we changed the column caption. We can also do it here. So, student ID, if I'm here, anywhere within this field, I can click on name and caption in the properties section, and it will bring out the design mode, common fields in the design mode here for me to manipulate. So student identification, and I can also change the description. And when I click OK, it has changed the column name to student identification. And if I save this and go into design view, I noted the description has not been placed here, but so the description has been placed here, because if you look down here in the caption, you now see student identification. So this is another way of manipulating your columns without going to this, the design mode, but staying right here in the data sheet and going to fields. I can also change my default value. So for the continents, I can click on default value, and you see the expression builder, and I can change the default value to America. And once I click OK, my default value has been changed to America. So here you can see it. My default value has been changed. Now we use lookups. Whether we key in the lookups as we did here, or created a lookup table, whichever one it is, when I go to the properties field, I can modify my lookups without going to the lookup tables. So a lookup wizard opens up, and I can add a new continent. So my new continent is going to be called heart to heart continent, because everyone loves heart to heart. Go to next, and I still want to maintain continents, and say okay. So it says close and reopen table. So I'm going to save, close, and I'm going to reopen the table by double clicking it, and then our lookup table now has the heart to heart option. So remember, we're all just going to the fields area, and we're using all these to modify the field. If I want to modify the field to a text or a yes or no field or date and time, here's where I do it. The same applies to deleting a field. I can also change the field sizes here, and the requirement. Remember, we made a field required, the programs field. Once I click here, you see the required check mark has been clicked. We can also go to first name to see that everybody has to have a first name, so now it's a required field. This is how to modify field properties in the datasheet view.